Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Irish potatoes with groundnuts. This comforting and flavorful dish is a staple in many cuisines, offering a unique blend of starchy potatoes and rich, creamy peanut sauce. We will guide you through each stage, ensuring a successful and incredibly tasty outcome. Prepare to create a hearty, nutritious meal that your entire family will enjoy. Begin by carefully selecting your main components, about 1½ pounds of firm Irish potatoes and 1 cup of raw, unsalted groundnuts. Then, gather your aromatic vegetables, including 1 medium onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a vibrant red bell pepper. Do not forget 2 cloves of fresh garlic and a small piece of zesty ginger. Finally, have 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, salt, and black pepper ready for seasoning. First, thoroughly wash and peel your Irish potatoes, then cut them into uniform, bite-sized pieces, roughly 2 inches each. Place these into a large pot, covering them completely with cold water. Add 1 full teaspoon of salt to the water, which helps season them from within. Bring this to a rolling boil, then lower the heat and simmer gently until the potatoes are perfectly tender, which generally takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, let's prepare the star of our dish, the groundnut sauce. Roast your raw groundnuts in a dry pan for 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring they develop a lovely golden brown color. After cooling, rub them to remove their skins, then blend them with a touch of water until a smooth, thick paste forms. In a separate pot, sauté your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger in vegetable oil until aromatic, then add the diced tomatoes and bell pepper, cooking until they soften beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.